Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am making this video because of the recent Alipay problem that is happening in some countries. So a lot of people has been texting me saying that they are trying to verify their identity on Alipay, and when it gets to the part where they are asked to scan their passport chip, they scan it and it says server error, it says server failed. And many people that are not living in China don't have the Chinese bank card to verify their identity on Alipay. So I am making this video to show you an alternative payment method you can use to pay for your goods in China in case your Alipay is not working. Okay, in case your Alipay is not getting verified. Now before I begin this video, I already made videos on how to create a WeChat account and how to activate WeChat Pay. Okay, if you haven't watched those videos, you should go and watch them. I'm going to be leaving a link to the video in the description below, and the video is also going to be showing at the top right of your screen. Make sure you go and watch those videos in case you haven't watched them. Okay, so instead of using Alipay, you're going to be paying with WeChat. Okay, because for now Alipay has a server issue with this country. Okay, so they are not able to verify their identity. Okay, when you message the customer care and you text them and you complain to them that you have this problem, they're just going to tell you to keep trying, and the problem doesn't get solved. Okay, so you're going to use an alternative payment app in China, which is WeChat. Okay, so after creating a WeChat account and activating WeChat Pay, what you're going to do is you're going to link your bank card to WeChat. Now I understand that in most countries in Africa, the bank cards don't necessarily work. The bank cards don't work. You can link your bank card to WeChat, especially in Nigeria. If you link your bank card, your Nigeria bank card to WeChat, it is going to tell you that payment failed. Nigeria bank cards don't work. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get virtual cards that actually work for this WeChat application. Now, for the sake of those that their bank card works, for the sake of those that are living in country with where you can use your bank card for online payments, you don't need to you can just skip to the part where you add your bank card to your WeChat and pay with it. But for the sake of those that in your country you can't pay with bank card, okay, you need a virtual card. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch your Play Store or App Store, whichever it is you're using, either iPhone or Android. You're going to download GigPay. Okay, you're going to download GigPay. Now after downloading GigPay, you're going to create a GigPay account. Now I'm going to be relating to Nigerians in this video because I am Nigerian, but if you're living in any other country, it should work for you. Okay, so you're going to download GigPay. After downloading GigPay, what you're going to do is you're going to create an account. Okay, so after creating an account on GigPay, you're going to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, what you're going to do is you're going to be requesting for a virtual card on the GigPay application. And the reason I am saying you should request for a virtual card on the GigPay app and not other apps is because GigPay gives MasterCard, and MasterCard works in almost every payment platform. So that is why I use GigPay. Okay, so after creating the account and verify your identity, you're going to be given a Naira account. You're going to have a Naira account number. Okay, you're going to see the Naira account number in the account section of your GigPay application. You're going to copy that Naira account number and you're going to credit that Naira account number with Naira. Okay, so you're going to credit about 5 USD to that Naira account on GigPay. After crediting about 5 USD, now you're going to convert this 5 USD to Naira. So to do that, just go to the convert section, click on Naira. Because you're converting from Naira to USD, you're going to click on Naira as the from, then you're going to click on USD as to. Okay, then you're going to convert that money from Naira to USD as shown on your screen. Okay, you can see it displaying on my screen. So after converting your money from Naira to USD, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on cards. Okay, when you click on cards, you're going to be requesting for a dollar card. Okay, they're going to ask you which card are you requesting for. You're going to request for a dollar card. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions. So you're going to name your card. Okay, after naming your card, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new virtual card. The card creation fee is about 3 USD, and you're going to fund your account. Okay, so you're expected to fund your account with about 2 USD. That is why I say you should credit 5 USD. You're expected to fund your account with 2 USD when you first create an account, and then the card creation fee is 3 USD. Okay, so you're going to fund your account, and after funding your account, you're going to click on next, and you're going to click on create card. Okay, and this should create the USD virtual card for you. Before I continue this video, I would like to let you know that if you're shopping in China and you need logistics assistance from China to your country, we would help receive your goods from your suppliers, do quality checks of the goods on your behalf if you want us to. We'll help you consolidate the goods and ship it down to your preferred country, and it doesn't matter if you're in USA, Europe or Africa. We're going to ship the goods directly to your doorstep. We can help you ship by air, by sea or by rail. If you're interested in our service, the link to my contact is going to be in the video description. We look forward to working for you. Now, after this virtual card has been created, what you're going to do is you're going to open your WeChat application. And after opening your WeChat application, you're going to go to the Me section. Okay, you're going to go to the Me section, and when you get to the Me section, you're going to click on Pay and Services. Now remember that your WeChat Pay has to be activated for this to work. Okay, so please make sure you watch that video I created on WeChat Pay. When you get to the Me section and you click on Pay and Services, you're going to click on Wallet, and when you click on Wallet, you're going to click on Bank Cards. Now, as you can see, I already have bank cards that I added here before, but I am just doing this again for the sake of those that has this problem, so that you can see how it works, and you can relate from this video and use it for yourself. Okay, so you're going to click on add the bank card, and you're going to add that bank card that you got from GigPay. You're going to add it here to to your WeChat Pay. So now anytime you want to make payment on any of these platforms that support WeChat Pay for payment, example, if you're paying on mini programs on WeChat, if you're paying on Pinduoduo and some other applications, okay, that accept WeChat as a form of payment, you're going to be able to pay with this your bank card that you just added on WeChat Pay. Okay, so what is going to happen is this. I'm just going to try ordering a product that I don't actually need, a cheap product, to show you that the card works. Okay, so I'm just going to order this ID card pouch, and I'm going to select WeChat Pay, okay, as my payment method. I'm going to select WeChat Pay, and when I select WeChat Pay, what it is going to do is it is going to direct me to WeChat. Okay, when it directs me to WeChat, and as you can see, it is asking which of my cards, because I have several cards, I have different cards added to my WeChat account. It is asking me which of the cards I want to pay with. So I'm just going to select that particular card that I just added, and I'm going to pay with it. Okay, it is going to ask for a payment password, and as you can see, the payment is successful. And also, for the sake of those that are not Nigerians, and maybe when you downloaded GigPay and you tried creating a virtual card on GigPay, you couldn't fund your account because maybe because GigPay doesn't support conversion of currency in your country, or it doesn't support accounts in your country. What you're going to do is you're going to download Bybit application. Okay, you're going to download Bybit, you're going to create an account on Bybit, and you're going to verify your identity on Bybit. Now, once your identity is verified on Bybit, you're going to fund your account. Okay, you can fund your account easily through P2P. Now, P2P on Bybit works. It's just P2P on Bybit is just a situation where you credit someone in your country's currency and they credit you USDT. Okay, when they credit you this USDT, what you're going to do now is you're going to go to the card section on Bybit. You're going to go to the card section on Bybit, and you're going to request for a virtual card on Bybit, and Bybit should give you a Visa card. Okay, a USD Visa card. Now, this should work in any country at all. Any country at all that you're in, Bybit is going to give you a USD Visa card, and you can pay online with that USD Visa card. I also tried using Bybit USD Visa card, and as you can see, it worked. So, as you can see in this video, it worked. So, yeah, this is the alternative you can be using to pay for now, pending the time that you'll be able to, verify your identity on Alipay and continue paying with Alipay. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.